Hello folks, in this short video I will tell you a few sad words about this camera, DJI Action 2, and probably about DJI Action 3 as well, because I think the electronics, optics and everything are the same. Slightly bit different software though, so maybe DJI Action 3 is free of that problem, but I think it's not. And because I was recently in Wales, conditions there weren't perfect, I was able to record the footage, which is absolutely tragic. I used that camera. The new DJI Action 3. Now, the new GoPro 11 Mini. Footage from that camera is brilliant. I've recorded some footage with GoPro Hero 7. It's brilliant as well. But DJI. Okay, let's go to the computer and let me show you that, because you won't believe what you will see. This is basically the footage when we are just riding here, turning to the left, and then we will be going through that bridge. And on that bridge I thought, okay, I want to record the river which is on the side. That GoPro which I've got here was fixed on the bike, but I got up here on my palm, I had DJI camera. If you don't know how I'm doing that, I will show you the link in top corner. I think this one, so you can see how am I recording that. So right now I decided to record to the left and to capture the river. Again, it was contrasty day, so actually if you look at that, yeah, you still need information. I needed information in the clouds. I've got it on GoPro, no problem whatsoever, but also information in the shadows. I've got everything on GoPro, no issue whatsoever. Let's put it on full screen, even, yeah, it's kind of dark in the dark areas, but even if you think, okay, let's say this moment, yeah, there are some darker areas here. So let's pull the shadows up. See, it's all here. All the information on GoPro is basically there. Now, let's jump to the DJI footage. It's the footage straight from the camera. The only issue here is that I forgot that camera was set to -1 EV, meaning the image is underexposed. By a lot. On the other hand, 1 EV is nothing for any modern camera, except DJI obviously, but you will see that. And thanks to that, something happened and I can see clearly some big issue with DJI. So let's jump to that. First of all, let's desaturate it to 0. So now the image is black and white, right? So now let's take a look at it. I will try to bring it as it should be. That's about right exposure, right? Is it so? All the information, look at that. It's here, yeah? Right? So it's not that camera didn't register all the information there. Yeah, well, we've got some information there and it's all right. And right now we've got this footage. Let's look at that on full screen. It's all right. Pretty usable footage. It's all good, right? But let's try one thing. Let's try bring the saturation back to 100%. And let's watch it again on full screen so you can see that. Now it's not so usable anymore. Look at that. See? The saturation is 100%. The saturation, we'll say that again, is 100%. But the camera didn't register any color whatsoever. Simply, the image is black and white. See? Color boost. Okay, let's color boost it to 100. Look at that again. See, color is boosted. There is loads of color. So later on, when the exposure was right, look at that. Still, in some places, the color is simply missing. Now it's all good. But let's bring it back to normal again. Color boost 0, saturation 50. That's how this image should look like. It's almost fine, but still there are areas with no color whatsoever. But trust me on one thing. If I would set the exposure on the DJI to 0, I would have blown up the sky all the time. I wouldn't be able to match the sky from GoPro, like here. Look, what can I do with the sky? Look at that. So guys, that's all I wanted to say. I wanted to show you that because I was saying loads of time. I was writing on DJI forum, look, there is something wrong with your colors on your camera. And everyone was saying, oh, that's not true, that's not true. Really? It's not true? Seriously? You think it's not true? Look again. Look again. And I hope someone from DJI will see that and will say, oh, come on, we need to do something with that. I really hope so, because otherwise the camera is rather good. And I really like it. But that thing is unusable. And in situations like that, I'm sorry. So DJI, do your thing and repair that. Till they will fix it, I won't recommend their camera, never ever. It's just rubbish. Yeah? You want that again? Look. Come on. Well, I don't know. Maybe you want to buy black and white camera. Maybe that's what DJI wanted to achieve. Black and white action camera. If so, that's all good. Give them thumbs up under my video and share it and show it to them. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Cheers. And for the reference, the footage from GoPro 11 camera. See? I think there is some sort of difference, but you should judge for yourself. And again, thanks for watching, share the video and spread the word about that. Yeah, about what? How would you call it? A fuck up? Issue? A problem? Just write it in the comment section. Thanks for watching again. Cheers.